What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop. So we're dressed up today because we're celebrating Halloween. We've got a trunk or treat event coming up this Friday starting at 6 o'clock. Make sure you join us and bring the family. So over here, we're going to start with this Dodge Challenger Hellcat. And this one got lots of work done. We vinyl wrapped the roof, the trunk, and the hood. We've tinted the marker lights. We've tinted the windows. And we installed paint protection film on the front bumper, the A-pillars, and I believe the fender flares as well. And behind me, we've got a Chevy Silverado. This one's here for a Ceramic Pro Gold package. Over here, we have a GMC Sierra AT4. This one got paint protection film installed in the front end, as well as a Ceramic Pro Gold package. It's done and curing and ready to go home. And to my right, we've got a Boxster Spider. So this is basically the same thing as my GT4, but it's the convertible version. This one's got carbon ceramic brakes as well, which I don't have. We installed paint protection film on the front end of this one. This was the 10 mil film, so this is a little bit thicker than the 8 mil. And beside the Boxster, we've got a BMW M4. This one got a fusion coating. This color looks awesome with a coating on it, and it is done, ready to go home as well. That's about all I can handle of this mask. Over here, we've got a Dodge Challenger. This one's a Scat Pack, I believe. And this one got a Ceramic Pro Gold package and the windows tinted. And up front, we have a Toyota RAV4. This one's here for a remote start system. We're starting to get really busy with remote starters. That time of year is coming. I think this morning was 40 degrees here, so call us before we book up, before parts run out. And behind me, Dean is prepping for a flat glass job, or what we call flat glass. That's commercial and residential tint. He is super, super busy with that across the board. Lots of commercial stuff going on right now, so it's rare he's in the shop, but he is. These guys are working on a GLE 53. This one came straight from the dealership for paint protection film and window tint. They're just finishing this one up right now. In the tint bay, we don't have any cars being tinted right now, but we do have Baby Yoda. I think he has a name now, but I'm not a Star Wars guy, so somebody help me out. Grogu. John tells me it's Grogu. All right, so out here in the parking lot, we've got a Dodge Ram 1500. This one got tint, the front windows and the visor. And another Ram, the best Ram. This is the T-Rex. So this has the Hellcat motor. You guys know I love Hellcats. And we're doing a full stealth conversion on this, so every piece of gloss paint that you see will be a satin finish. Still the same color though, it is clear, and it will be protected for the next 10 years against rock chips and scratches. That one is just about to get pulled in. Over here we've got a new Caterpillar skid loader. Not something you see here very often, but we are tinting the windows and actually doing protective film on this front windshield here. So we're gonna use Dynaflex. And out front, we've got a Maserati. This is a Gran Turismo. We installed film on the front end a couple of months ago, and it is back for a ceramic coating. John's got the showroom decorated very nicely for the trunk or treat this Friday. Make sure you join us at 6 p.m. Bring the kids. There will be lots of cool cars and, of course, candy. So the North Pittsburgh shop has been super busy, and we don't want to neglect that in What's in the Shop Wednesday. So we're going to go ahead and check in with Luke at Gibsonia.
What's up, guys? This is Luke from Blackout, Tinting, North Pittsburgh, here to show you what's in the shop. First up, we got this brand new Tesla Model Y. This is in for some paint protection film on the full front clip, which includes the full hood, the two front fenders, the front bumper, and the mirror caps. He's also getting protection along the rocker panels, along with the A-pillars. Over here, we got a Carrera 4 GTS Porsche. This also got full front paint protection film, along with the entire doors. We removed the factory PPF in front of the back wheels and installed a brand new piece of XPEL PPF along the rocker panels and rear fenders. Of course, we have the shop GT4 Josh's Miami Blue. Over here, we have Austin doing some XPEL paint protection film on the full front of this Dodge Charger. This is getting the hood, two front fenders, front bumper, along with the rear impacts to stop the rock chips where this factory piece is, but we're going to take off the factory piece and do that entire fender flare right there. This customer's also getting window tint. You can see Brandon in the back seat doing the back window. This is getting XPEL Prime XR 20% on all the side windows and the back window. On this half of the shop, we have a GMC Sierra in for XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That goes on all the paint, the plastic, the glass, chrome, the entire wheel, the brake caliper, the whole vehicle. And over here, we have a Porsche Boxster 25th Anniversary Edition. This is getting a paint correction and XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. on the entire vehicle, along with the front 2 doors tinted and XPEL Prime 20% window tint.
All right, so we came down to the other Latrobe shop here to show you what's going on here. We've got a K9 unit. This one's pretty much buttoned up. We did a not a half cage. This is a full rear cage for a dog with a dog bowl. And that vehicle over there is for another department. We're still waiting on parts for that. We have the same supply chain problems everybody else is having for things like that. So that one got a half cage in the back, lighting everywhere under the running boards, lots and lots of lights on that. So when that one's finished, we'll make sure we do a full video on that too. And over here, we're not going to show you exactly what's going on. John's going to blur out some of the colors and things, but basically we've got a BMW M8 that is being fully wrapped. It's almost done. This car is going to be going to Exotics on Los Olas in Fort Lauderdale next week, I believe, right after SEMA. I'll be there as well. And so it's disassembled, almost done. Up here, we've got a Nissan Cube. We wrapped this in satin black a little bit ago. The owner of the car is doing some stuff with the headlights, so he's waiting on some parts to show up, and then we can reassemble the front bumper. And that is it for what's going on at this shop and the main Latrobe shop and the North Pittsburgh location. Thank you guys very much for checking in with us. Make sure you stop back next week, subscribe to the channel so you get a notification when that happens. We will see you then.